Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Let's start with some good news. Mov2mov works on any version of Stable Diffusion. You can see for yourself here. The latest version is 1.10.1. Mov2mov works on any version of Stable Diffusion. Here it is. You can use it fully. Now I'm going to show you. The link to the new version of Mov2mov is in the description. As always, go ahead and download it. Take this little link, go to Stable Diffusion, go here, upload via URL, paste it and download it. I've already got everything downloaded. Everything works. Today I want to talk about how to use mov2mov without any materials for Stable Diffusion, but with the help of ControlNet IPAdaper. How to install Stable Diffusion, how to install ControlNet, how to install mov2mov. I explained in the previous video. Tell me how it's done. If something doesn't work, check the description. Contact me, alright, I'll help. Let's go to the mov2mov tab and start. Choose a video. I prepared this video. I trimmed it to 3 seconds to generate faster. You can make longer videos, but it will take longer. Let's open it. And forget about the size. Click this little triangle to adjust it. If the size is incorrect, the video won't display properly. Set the FPS to 30, but again, generation will take longer. Disable Move Editor and switch to ControlNet. I've set it all up, but I'll explain everything now. Tab 1. Let's delete it. If you don't have 3 ControlNet tabs, go to Settings, find this tab on the left called ControlNet. Here it is. Use the slider to set how much you need. Here it's set to 3. You could make it 1, 2, 3, 4 as you like. I'm fine with 3 for now. You could add more, but it's not necessary yet. Let's go back to our mov2mov tab. We take the first ControlNet. We need an IP adapter here. I explained how to install models for ControlNet in the previous video and where to download them. I'll leave the link here in the description again. Follow the link to that page and look for them. Here are the models, which are 723 megabytes. Find the ones we need, specifically what I used in this video. First, depth. Secondly, line art. And thirdly, we need an IP adapter. Where is it hiding here? There it is. 1, 2, 3. These 3 models. We skip ahead and drop it in, like I described in the previous video, into the ControlNet folder and keep going. We select the first ControlNet, make sure to choose the IP adapter and enable Pixel Perfect. And we check this box, so there's a place where you can drop in a name or drag in an image. I've prepared a couple of images. Let's take this ninja, for example. By the way, I also generated all of these using NeuroFitI. Let's open it up. It's right here. The IP adapter loads up automatically, but you can choose another. I work with this one because I found it interesting. And what we downloaded, there are 2 identical ones. I don't know why I have 2 right now. Yeah. Version. By default, it is set to 1 here. I switch it to 0.85. I tested it, and I think it works better that way. You can conduct your tests too. Moving on to the second ControlNet tab, we enable it again, turn on Pixel Perfect, and select Line Art. I'm choosing Realism again from this list, but feel free to try others. This gets automatically adjusted here. Set the weight to 1 and move to the third ControlNet. Again, turn on Pixel Perfect, choose depth here and set the weight to 1 and 0.2 millimeters and click on Generate. For me, the generation takes about 10 minutes, but for you, it'll just be a few seconds. Thanks to the magic of editing. And now look at this video. I used 2 ControlNets. I left. Depth is off. And you can see those houses at the top are a bit blurred. In the second video, I connected the third control net with that, and we can see that the shapes of the houses and all shapes become more precise. Let's continue. Now, let's go back into IPAdaper and delete our Ninja. We saw that it basically adopted the shapes, characters, colors, and we add another picture. Let's say I've prepared these Lego bricks here. Again, I'm setting the settings in a way that you can play a bit with it. Maybe you'll do better. And we click again. Don't forget the 3 quantum nets. And click generate. I'm waiting for my 10 minutes again. Well, for you, it takes a few seconds. And you see in this video, from the Lego picture, it pulled everything. Colors. The video turned out colorful, vibrant, vivid, and the little person looks a bit like Lego. Let's continue. I've prepared another image just to compare the results. And in this image here, look, fire and water are mixed together on one picture. Here we also use all the default settings. I've already talked about them. You can pause again to take a look. Here, here, or here. You can also try out your experiments. You can select different models here. Just choose those models here. The results can, in principle, vary. So, let's click on Generate. Again, it takes a few seconds for you. And then here's the video. This is what it was, and this is what it became. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, or like it. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. See you in the next video.